Good afternoon, beautiful people. Welcome to day 15 of Inganji Culture and Fashion class. Nkuko twabibabwiye turi gutegura ibirori and guess what? Iminsi ni miki buri tuzabikora ku itariki 8 z'ukwa gatandatu, which means ko ni next Sunday azaba ari saa 8 bizabera kuri Pefa Wisdom School. So people, you're most welcome and you're invited. N'utazabasha kuhagera muzakurikirana ibirori byose hano ku YouTube ya Inganji. So today kwako hari umuganda twakoze ku mugoroba, and then of course the game comes first. Uyu munsi twakoze game ya colors. We have green, tukagira red, tukagira white, and then abantu bakoze game uyu munsi harimo Carmela, harimo Sabrine, harimo Mutsinzi, harimo Fiona, hakabamo Linda. So may the best win. Twagiye muri red. Guess? Okay. White. Carmela, goodbye. So you are now in white, yes? Red, green, red, white, red, green, white.
They can't jump.
Oh. Okay, you've jumped already. I'm sorry, I've jumped one color already. Okay. Red, green, red, green, white. Okay, red, white, red, white, red, green, red, white, red, green, red, green, red. Okay, all of these 4 girls are winners. Congratulations. Okay. And ejo hashize ku gatanu we had a party, so we had to show up and dance. Look at us. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.